All in for a surprise here. This is the Surge. This is from MUCITUP. It does come with a sticker pack, which is really neat. The sticker pack includes a badge. Really cool. If I open this thing up, whoo, look at that. It gives you a little demonstration, and that is what the knife looks like. It gives you a picture of the knife before you even pull it out. But look at this thing. It's held in there with foam. It comes with a Kydex holder. It comes with a clip, which is really neat. Clip it, and let's check out the knife. This is D2 stainless steel. I like that it's all one piece. So basically they machine this out of one piece. I think that's the word. I'm probably messing that up. And then they bolt on this G10 orange handle. So you're not, basically what that does is that, that lessens the risk of this breaking. Well, it shouldn't break, of the knife breaking off the handle. It's an extremely strong knife, extremely sharp knife. I was actually, look at that. It's like a razor blade. I mean, extremely sharp. Now, knives can be as sharp as you want them to be. It's just a matter of sharpening them. But this is D2. This is basically the, the standard out there. It's not, it'll basically hold an edge. It's easy to sharpen. It's pretty durable. It's kind of like right in the middle of the road. Best of all worlds. Whenever you have a D2 knife, you got a good knife. So very nice knife. I really like the packaging. These guys really take a lot of time with their packaging. And obviously they take a lot of time with their knives because their knives are beautiful. This is the Surge.